Nasubo ang University of Cebu. Diin gikundinar nila ang nahitabo silang tinunan nga si Ronnel Baguio kinsa gituwang namatay sa hazing. Ania ang pamahayag sa chairman sa University of Cebu nga si Atty. Augusto Go.
This is a very tragic incident and my heart goes out to the student and my heartfelt condolence to the family over the death of such a young man. We pray for him and the family regarding this tragic incident. And we have been fully cooperating with the police. And if I'm not mistaken, the case is about to be solved.
Doon na mo internal investigation yung gihimo.
We did, but we cannot divulge it. But all I can say is the case will be closed.
Mm-hmm.
It will be cases will be filed against people who are involved in this incident.
Nga ni duol ko daw sila siya sa UC aron mag-ask of assistance. And the
honestly,
university
Alan,
refused.
if I may interrupt you, they never came to my office. And if they did, they have to bring the body immediately. I am one person who would be very happy to. In fact, if I have no gitago yun nila even by the group. If I have known that this boy is sick, I'll bring him to our hospital.
Yes.
We have 2 hospitals.
Yes.
I will be calling Mrs. Baguio once I get hold of her phone. I will do everything that will be required of me. We do not tolerate this. It happened outside of the school. But even if it happened outside of the school premises, I feel obligated. So I am cooperating 100%, and I can assure you, solve the case. People who are guilty will be punished.